Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. If you're new here, my name is Angel and I upload everything lifestyle from home decor and do-it-yourself to lifestyle and healthy videos. So if that interests you, please do subscribe. So today I'm gonna share with you guys a healthy video. You guys know I like to eat healthy, and eating healthy without breaking the bank seems to be very difficult. So, you know, I shared with you guys in a recent video how I bought my groceries for that week for $20. Well, today I want to share with you this company that I found that offers so many healthy options as well as products, not just food, but they also offer products. So I placed an order with them and I wanted to share them with you guys today. They're called Thrive Market. So Thrive Market is an online store that offers all healthy items, and their price is supposed to be at wholesale prices. So I'm going to share with you guys some of the things that I bought as well as the price of them. This video is not sponsored. This is my honest opinions. So I hope you guys enjoy and find it helpful. So I ordered all of this stuff, okay? So mind you, I'm going to share with you the prices, but I also got a 20% discount off all of this. So at the end, just remember that even though I'm sharing with you the prices, I also got like a lot off as well and free shipping. And if you click the link below, they're offering 20% off your first 3 orders. So be sure to click the link and it'll take you straight there. I got 20% off and I'm glad I did. So let's start. Okay, so this big old box came in the mail and I ordered a few goodies. I wasn't really interested in nothing particular. I just was kind of going through the website to see what they had new, some stuff I haven't saw in the grocery stores. So it's nothing particular, but I'm just gonna share with you the things that I got. I was looking for me some protein powder that was organic and natural. I have been using one for a long time, but the one I use isn't gluten-free. And so this one I found is a raw organic protein in vanilla. It's gluten-free, 0 grams of sugar, 22 grams of protein, and it's made without dairy or I can't talk. Dairy or soy. Or I can't, oh my god, this is a tongue twister. It's made without dairy or soy. That is a tongue twister. Dairy or soy. Dairy or soy. Oh my god, say that 3 times in a row, okay? I have been looking for me an organic protein shake because I do protein shakes all the time. If you guys follow me, you know I love protein shakes. Sometimes I make them, sometimes I buy them already pre-made. This depends on my day and how much time I have. But this one is a great one to try out because it meets all of my qualifications that I actually need. And then I'll probably add like fruit to it, and I may add veggies to it as well. But yeah, so I'm really excited to try this. I also got, this is gonna sound weird, but I also got some applesauce, guys. Okay, I am a big kid, but these are organic applesauces. And when I found them, I was like, oh wow. So listen to this. They're organic, gluten-free, vegan, preservative-free, no artificial ingredients, no added sugars or sweeteners. So I was like, yeah, let's try these out. Nice and healthy. And got 2 packs of them. So I got a lot of snacks. I love trying out new snacks, by the way, because you guys know a lot of organic stuff or healthy snacks aren't really that great. So I love to go try things out and share with you guys the things that are really good. Like if you have not checked out my healthy junk food video, I got a healthy junk food and a healthy desserts. I'm helping you guys out. I've already done all the taste testing. So the stuff I'm sharing with you guys is actually good stuff. So go check those videos out if you have not. But I have not tasted these. These are absolutely brand new tries. But if they are good, trust me, I will let you know, okay? So this one is called Plentils. Okay, Plentils. This flavor is garlic and Parmesan. They're lentil chips. They're milk-free, gluten-free, soy-free, and nut-free. Yeah. That's rare. And it's 40% less fattening than chips. Actually kind of interested to try them out. Cholesterol free, no artificial ingredients, 0 grams trans fat. Yeah, you can't really beat that. Lentil chips. So this is garlic and Parmesan flavor. I bought 2 of those. I think you had to get a minimum of 2 to get those, so I had to get 2 packs. If they're not good, I'll give them away. Okay, so here's another chip. So these are jalapeno lime tortilla chips. These are made with organic yellow corn. They're gluten-free and vegan. No trans fat, no high fructose corn syrup, no artificial flavors. Anyway, yeah, peanut free. So, interested to see how these taste. Okay, another chip that I am trying out are these Farmhouse Culture Dill Pickle, chronic crisps. So it's 1 billion probiotics per serving. Ooh, wow, very interesting. But these are organic, and they support your digestive system and immune system, and of course protein. So it's packed with probiotics, so I'm interested to see how these actually taste. They're made with cabbage, guys. Interesting, right? Yeah. I'm so interested to see how these taste. I love dill pickle, but I don't know how those are gonna taste. Okay, and more chips. Again, you know, I love to find new healthy snacks I like to snack on. So these are Cauliflower Puffs. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that, but they're Cauliflower Puffs. Wow, they're gluten-free and organic and probiotic, and like, I was shocked when I found these because I already eat cauliflower mashed potatoes. If you have not tried those, you should, because they're actually good and healthy. You know, I tried cauliflower rice, but I never saw the cauliflower chips. So these are Cauliflower Puffs. So yeah, I'm really kind of hyped to try these and see how they actually taste. Of course, they're gluten-free and 3 grams of protein, 0 trans fat. Yep, a lot of good healthy stuff on there. You can check them out if you want to try them. I actually had to get 2 packs of those dill chips. So that's another thing. Like, for chips and some smaller items, you have to get a minimum of 2. So that's a con for me. Prices are a pro. The choices are a pro. They have a huge variety of things. So keep that in mind. I also got some teas. They had some really nice flavored teas, and I couldn't like narrow it down to one, so I ended up getting all 3 of them. One is sweet rose, one is turmeric ginger, and the other one is raspberry peach. I've never tried these. They're all organic and are caffeine free, but I'm really interested. The flavors looked really good, and I just couldn't narrow it down to one. So each one has something different, you know, as far as the healthy of it. Like, one's a stress reliever and a detoxifier. Just, yeah, you know, anything to help with relieving stress and to detoxify my body. So I'm gonna try these out. I'll probably share like how they are on my Instagram feed. So if you're not following me on Instagram, do so at Angel Grace 2. I share like a lot of my opinions in my stories. So don't forget to look me up. Alright, I also got, wow, I got a lot, guys. So I got some gluten-free spaghetti. It's 100% organic and gluten-free pack of spaghetti. Oh wow. Okay, so these are a lot smaller than I thought. So I got some tomato paste. It's 100% organic. And for some reason online, these look really big. I did not check the ounces. I just looked at the can and assumed it was big. So I'm glad 2 came. But this is 100% organic tomato paste, no salt added. So yeah, I'll probably be trying this with my spaghetti and some meat and tomatoes and such. But that's something to also watch out for. The sizes, because sometimes online things look bigger than what they really are. So they package this stuff very well, by the way. Well, look at this. Oh, this is, oh, yeah. I ordered some plum vinegar. So I tried out 2 new flavors of vinegar, some recipes. I shared that on my Facebook page. You can check that out. It was like a garlic rice vinegar. I tried those out and they were really good. Like, they season the food so very well without having to add a lot of extra fattening things. Guys, vinegar is such a great thing to season almost anything with. I mean, that meal, I cooked everything with vinegar. Like, I seasoned it from the chicken to my veggies. So I've kind of fallen in love with using vinegar a lot more than a lot of the fattening ingredients and seasonings out there. So I saw this plum vinegar and I was like, OMG, I have got to try this. Like, I honestly have no idea what I'm gonna cook with yet. But because I've actually just started liking cooking with the vinegar, I was like, oh yeah, plum vinegar, sure, I'll create a recipe for this. So yeah, make sure to follow me on social media, guys, because it's hard to share everything on YouTube because recording these videos takes a lot of work. And it's a lot of planning and prepping and editing. So sometimes sharing things on Instagram or Facebook is so much quicker. I can just do stories with my phone and share with you guys. So be sure to follow me. But anyway, super excited about this. I also got some almond flour. Of course, all the grocery stores sells this, but I ordered it from here, just also gluten-free, and it's so much more healthier than a lot of the other flours out there. Another snack I got are these chewy bars. Never had them again, but I will be trying these out. They are organic and gluten-free, and there are 5 bars in here. Okay, so, oh my God. So it's free from gluten, wheat, peanuts, dairy, soy, fish, shellfish. It's free from a lot of stuff. So, I'm interested to see how good this is. But you never know, because a lot of times the stuff I found is good and people didn't know it was good, but it was super healthy. So I ordered this big old pack of organic chia seeds. So these are really good to like add to your yogurt or your cereal or granola. Like, these are really good for women in our systems. So I got this big old pack. Running out of space up here. Also ordered some organic virgin coconut oil, and I have gotten where I cook with this all the time. I've switched out a lot of my oils and I use virgin coconut oil even for baking. Like, this stuff makes my brownies so good, so moist, so good, and it's just a lot healthier. Than it's no trans fat, gluten-free, vegan, all of that, organic. It's so much more healthier than cooking with the fattening oil. But I will say you can find this cheaper in other places. But again, online, I thought this was a really big bottle, and it's not. This is a little bit bigger than the one I already get that's cheaper. But you know, that's a lesson. Always look at the sizes. You can compare prices with other places. So I will say this is kind of on the expensive side for the size. If it was bigger, I would be okay paying that for it, but this came a lot smaller than I thought. I also got some things for the house. I got some soap. I was interested in this soap. This one is pure olive oil. I don't know if you can see that, but it's pure olive oil. And then this one is raw shea butter. And I use raw shea butter on my skin all the time now. I have fallen in love with that. It's almost the best thing you can do for your skin. And I have a bottle of literally raw shea butter. And I'll share that in another video. But I was interested to see how the soap would be, the raw shea butter soap. So I'm gonna try those out on my skin. I also picked up, I don't know if you can see this, some dish detergent and some all-purpose cleaner that they had. So this is all natural non-toxic dish soap. I was really interested in trying, you know, how the natural soap would be, especially like on your skin, because we wash our dishes. I told you guys that in my cleaning video. It's only just the two of us, and so we use a lot of paper plates and stuff. So the few dishes that we do have, we just wash them instead of running the dishwasher. Save that energy, we save that money, and just hand wash the few dishes that we have. So yeah, I want to try this and see how it works on, you know, the dishes as well as on our skin. So, and I also got this all natural cleaner. It says it gets rid of grease. It's a multi-surface, hyperallergenic, but it's, you know, natural, and it's made with essential oils, no synthetic fragrances or dyes, and it has not been tested on animals, and it's lemon scent. So in my next cleaning video, I probably will be cleaning with this, and I'll let you guys know how I like it, because I am used to cleaning with heavy stuff, you know, Clorox and bleach and, you know, Lysol, and so just different types of things. So I am interested to see how well this cleans, and I will feel better because it's, you know, not harmful, and it's all natural, and, you know, all of that stuff. So I'll let you know. The last thing I got, I actually forgot about these. They were very well packed, by the way. They were hidden. They were packed in like this thing, which is like some type of insulation and some liquid ice to keep your groceries cool or something. So I actually forgot it had I not looked in there. But these are called Sun Cups. I guess they're a Reese's dupe. That's what it look like. They're peanut free, dairy free, egg free, soy free, gluten free, nut free, and free from corn, coconut, sesame, fish, and shellfish. And I'm allergic to fish, by the way. So, and it's dark chocolate, and you know dark chocolate is actually good for your body instead of regular chocolate or milk chocolate. Dark chocolate is always the way to go. It's made with sunflower seed butter. So interested to see how these taste. So that's it, you guys. I got all of that stuff. I know that was a lot, right? Yeah, that was a bit much, but I, you know, wanted to share with you guys this place and, you know, my review. So what is my takeaway, the pros and cons? I definitely will be ordering from Thrive Market again. Yes, I like the prices. I like the quick delivery. I think it was maybe 2-3 days, especially like with stuff that I'm not in a rush to get. Of course, you can't get like fresh fruit and all of that from there, but everything else that you need, you know, snacks and products, any type of natural item, I definitely will be ordering from them again. I just gotta be mindful. The cons is the sizes. So always check the sizes, the ounces before you order, because again, I was shocked by some of the sizes that came. Online, they look like bigger bottles or jars, but receiving them, they're a lot smaller. So, and always compare your prices to the grocery store. So if you're in the grocery store every week, then, you know, just make a list. Well, you should probably already have a list, but, you know, make a note of how much it costs in the store, and then compare it with, you know, Thrive Market online. And don't forget, you'll get the 20% off. So, you know, that's also a way to save more money. But yeah, I like them, and I highly suggest that you guys check Thrive Market out, especially if you like living a healthy lifestyle. So be sure to check out the link below. It'll take you to Thrive Market. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to give me a thumbs up, as well as leave me a comment below and tell me some things that you would like to get from there. Or if you want to know how some of this stuff is, just let me know in the comments and I will respond. Alright guys, until the next time, I hope you enjoyed.